Welcome, I'm the Word Nerd, and this is Counting the Cost Ministries. Let's dig deeper. So today we have another faith journaling monthly setup, and this is for June 2019. So let's just jump in. So we got the cover page and we got the verse page. So I think this is a summer month, and this is when it starts getting hot where I live. And it just makes me think of fruit that I like in the summer, you know, watermelon, pineapple, and grapes. And so the verse is Galatians 5:22 through 23. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering, gentleness, goodness, faith, meekness, temperance. Against such there is no law. And I had a lot of... I didn't know which one to choose, honestly, because there's a lot. The Bible talks about fruit a lot. So, of course, we're not talking about this kind of fruit that I drew, but, you know. Anyway, so I chose watermelon, pineapple, and grapes as my theme, fruits, and yeah, I think it turned out really well. I used super tips, Crayola super tips, to do all the coloring. I used micron pens, and I used the Tombow Fruitinosuke brush pen to do some of this lettering. So yeah, so this is the cover page. So the next page that we get to is the monthly page. And so I added some fruits over here. And so my music is going to be right here, videos, and then I also have a to-do. There's certain things that I want to do that deals with my faith, and I don't want to forget. So I needed a little place here for that. So I also did that as well. So the next thing we have is my words page. I wish I did something with this differently, but I've already done it. Oh well, you know. But drew a couple of fruit, and it'll give me plenty of room to write the words of the month. The next thing we have is a new thing for my monthlies. So it's screen time versus God time. I did this starting last month that I did. So this is the first one that I did, and I did it for a week. And then, where is it? And then I decided to do it again for this, and I did it for 1 week, and then this last week, it was so busy at work and things, I just didn't have time to track it. I didn't have time to do much of anything, so that's why I didn't track it there. But I knew that I wanted to, I really enjoyed doing that to see how I was really tracking my time. So the hours are up here, and then the days go, and then I still have to use my color coding. I haven't put that in there yet, but I'm going to. So the next page that I have is a weekly events and to do. So I'm thinking of trying to use this more as a bullet journal as well as a faith journal, and just have like my stuff here and then continue my dailies. I'm going to try for this week, this upcoming week starting Monday, and see how it goes, because I just think I'm just going to need it. I don't know. Yeah, so anything that I have to do. Or I might just try to keep it like just with faith things. I'm not sure, because I use my monthly calendar to record what I read and not what to do. So I don't know, I might use these as more of a events. I don't know. Anyway, we're just testing it out, see how it goes. So yeah, that's my monthly setup for June. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, hope this encourages you and inspires you to do your own faith journaling and journaling with God. It's awesome. Check out my video about why I encourage you to journal your journey with God. Check me out on Instagram at the official word nerd. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. God bless.